G'day guys, Decca here. Got our hand make it super cards for Father's Day coming up at Supercheap Auto. Got my mate Broc here and I've challenged him to a little craft off. So it's like being back in play school. We're gonna have a go and see what we can do.
Do you want to do me up, mate?
Sure mate, welcome.
Thank you.
All right, let's get into it. We're off to a really ripping start here.
Oh, Jesus.
I think my dad's probably the hardest person I've ever had to buy for. But now this makes it easy. We've got these gift cards. People get to design their own and kids get to make it special and make it super. And
It is pretty cool, isn't it?
it is. It's a good idea.
I'm going to get messy now. I've gone for the undercut and I'm coming out strong. We're at Bathurst, that's the scenery. We've got the kid, the kid giving the dad the #1 dad trophy,
The kid Leroy.
who's got the superhero cape on.
How's your panorama?
Dude's copied my exact idea. It's a superhero at Mount
Mate,
Panorama.
if you'd seen my drafts from earlier.
Oh my goodness. What? Oh.
I mean, it's pretty spectacular. Put a lot of effort. I feel like Broc looks like definitely a child made it. What is that? Is that supposed to spell something?
It's supposed to spell Happy Father's Day.
Why doesn't have enough colour? I feel like just adding colour just for the sake of it.
It's so boring.
Oh, okay, mate.
Salt bait. Oh no. Does that say Happy Father's Day?
No. At least mine you can actually read. That's supposed to say Happy Father's Day.
I've really gone for the, child still at school.
I've gone for the more holistic approach so my father can actually read what I'm trying to say.
It's a good idea. Make sure you get into Supercheap. Get your hand make it super cards. Get your dad a gift card. What a super way to spend his Father's Day.
See you all later.